am Sarah. I'm 4 years old. I'm cooking delicious apple crumble. Delicious! Thank you, Mrs. Hawk and Mummy. I have 3 apples. I already washed them. Apples to small pieces. Apples ready. Then I add 1 lemon juice. Here. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add half cup of sugar. Put all it in the bowl. Cook on the medium flame. Add half cup of flour. Half cup of oats. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of cold butter. Mix it very well. I mix it carefully. This is baking time. Take a baking tray and grease it. Add cooked apple. It's little hot, just be carefully. Chop and add mix a crab. And on the top. Put in the preheat oven. After 25 minutes, apple crunch ready.